Hey guys, what's going on? Here to tell you a little bit about a really great product that I currently have on my face right now. It's Base Appeal by Dermovia. It is a black bamboo charcoal peel off mask. There was like a sensation, I think it was like last year, about different charcoal face masks because they do a really great job of extracting blackheads and stuff like that. And I know that there's like a lot of different brands around right now, so you guys have a lot to choose from when it comes to the charcoal masks. But I had heard about this one online and wanted to try it out. It had really good reviews that I saw. I always try to read the reviews just to see like what people think and how they like stuff, and I was like curious myself to try it out. So this is peel intensity level medium, 20 milliliters, 0.7 ounces. This comes with 2 lace masks and a 20 milliliter tube. Compression for deep exfoliation, but I think you can purchase like a 4 or 5 pack online as well. So this is intense exfoliating facial mask with compression lace support. I'll flip it over. Black bamboo charcoal peel off mask. Lace Appeal bamboo charcoal uses a naturally blended peel paste formulated with bamboo, charcoal, aloe vera, and chamomile in conjunction with a compression lace mask to support the peel process and instantly turn dull complexion into radiant skin. And I feel like my skin's been really dull lately. It's like with the weather and just coming back from vacation, not sleeping good. So I really wanted something that was going to help with that. Compression luxurious stretch lace compresses for greater adhesion, resulting in intensive deep skin detoxification. Key ingredients are bamboo charcoal, which detoxifies, aloe vera purifies, and chamomile soothes. Then it kind of shows you the steps on how to go about it. And this is different than any other face mask I tried because it has the lace with it, which is interesting. Usually it's just a mask, it dries, and then you either peel or rinse it off. This is, you actually peel off the mask, and then that takes off the actual charcoal mask. So steps, you cleanse and dry face, apply an even layer of peel paste to targeted areas, avoiding eye area, eyebrows, hairline, and lips because the stuff is strong. It could be your facial hair, so just be careful. 3, line up holes with eyes, nose, and mouth. Press lace mask to areas where peel paste is applied. 4, place ear slits securely around ears. 5, pull ends of chin strap up and loop over ears. 6, wear the mask for 15 to 20 minutes until dry. Gently peel off mask in downward motion. Rinse any residue with warm water. Formulated without parabens, phthalates, sulfates, silicone, or gluten. Ingredients: water, polyvinyl alcohol, ethanol, glycerin, cornstarch, silica, bamboo charcoal, butylene glycol, acrylates, copolymer, panthenol, phenol, PEG40, hydrogenated, castor oil, aloe, barbadenous, leaf juice, chamomile extract, niacinamide, whatever that word is, and fragrance. Sorry, kind of struggled through some of the pronunciations there. Fabric is proprietary stretch nylon blend. Storage: avoid direct sunlight, keep dry at room temperature. Warning: for external use only. This product is not intended for children. Caution: avoid contact with eyes, eyebrows, hairline, and lips. Discontinue use if signs of irritation appear, and do not use on skin that is irritated, broken, or sunburned. And then for next time, if you want to purchase it, you could use a 25% off coupon code there. And then Dermovia is made in Taiwan. Distributor is in Los Angeles, California. Our products are not tested on animals, and I guess this paper is recyclable. Okay, so this is what it came with. This came with the Lace Appeal black bamboo charcoal peel off mask. So as you can see, I used half of it. This is the 20 milliliter container, and then they have the ingredients listed on the back here, and this is recyclable as well. It's plastic. And then this is the face mask, which I'm going to open up and show you. I put it on my legs. so you guys could see what it looks like. It's kind of creepy looking, but it's funny. So this is the part that you put around your ears, and then of course your eyes go in here, your lips, and then this goes around your neck. So just make sure you put enough product on your neck so that this can like actually stick to it, so that when you peel it off, it will come off easier. Yeah, so I hope you guys will try out Dermovia Lisa Peel Black Bamboo Charcoal Peel Off Mask. It will make you feel like you had extractions and a facial at literally a fraction of the cost of what it would cost you to do at a salon. So I've been really happy with the product, and I hope you guys try it out. Thanks for watching.